Rhett, what do we have today? A garbage truck. We have the Lego City garbage truck. Rhett already has the Lego City street sweeper. So today, we're gonna open up the garbage truck. All right, are we ready? Let's get started. All right, let's see what we have. What do we have? We have one bag. It's the bucket for the trash truck. Keep pulling it out. Is that everything? All right, let's look at the instructions book. Ooh, what is that? That's cool. All right, are we ready to get started?
Yeah.
Let's do it. Okay, Rhett, step 1. We need to find this part right here. Can you find that part? Where's that part? That's right. All right, let's get that part. Okay, Rhett, so step 1. We already have step 1, don't we? This part right here? All right, let's turn the page to step 2. Step 2, we have to get this part here. All right, Rhett, we have to build the body of the garbage truck. So we need to put these 2 pieces right here. Hey, silly goose. Hey, can you put those 2 pieces on? That's our next step. Can you snap them on? Let's see step number 3. Yeah, those are tires. All right, we have the 2 white pieces on. What's next? We have to find these red pieces. Can you help me find these red pieces, Rhett? Snap it on. There we go. Okay, now we have to put his steering wheel and his seat on. Ready for his steering wheel and seat? Yay! Let's see, I think this is his seat. Let's make sure this red one's snapped in real good. His seat, look, can you see right here where his seat goes? It goes right here. Can you put his seat on? Push down his seat real good. Okay, now his steering wheel. Put his steering wheel in front of his seat. Yeah, that's his steering wheel. All right, you got his steering wheel? Good job. All right, let's turn the page. Let's see what's next. Ta-da. All right, we need these orange pieces here, Rhett. Can you help me find these orange pieces? Snap it right here on the front. Right here in front of the steering wheel. Perfect. Good job. It's coming together so good, Rhett. It's almost time to put his bucket on.
No.
Yahoo! Let's put his recycling symbol on. That lets us know he's a recycled garbage truck. That lets us know he's a recycling truck, right? You put his lights on? Let's look at his lights.
Bright.
They are bright. They're so cool.
Bright.
Can we put his bumper on? You putting his head on? Let's see him. Uh-oh, his head fell off. Here you go. Gotta snap his head on and put his hat on and his pants, and he'll be ready to go collect some garbage. There you go, there's his head. Let's look at him. Let me see his face. Oh, he's cool. Got his hat on? Cool, good job. Now his pants. Good job. All right, let's get a look at the garbage truck driver. Let's look at him. He's ready to go to work. He's almost ready. Did you put the driver in the truck already? This part can be a little bit complicated. You want Mama to do this part?
No.
All right, you want to help me? See these little things right here? These little pieces right here?
No.
We have to snap them onto these.
Oh.
Okay, we gotta flip it over. All right, so we snapped it on there. He's almost ready to go to work. Now he works. Works like a real garbage truck. All right, now he needs tires or he can't go anywhere. You ready to put his tires on? Can you snap those pieces in there? Good job, buddy. We got 4 of them to do. All right, his tires are on the rims. Now you can push all the tires down onto the truck. Okay, flip it over and do the other two.
Hey guys.
Snap it down. Okay, good job. Is he driving now? All right, good job. Let's look in there. Let's look through the windshield, see if we can see the driver. Your driver fell over, Rhett.
No.
All right, we opened up bag number 2, and now you have to put together the other sanitation worker. Oh, yeah, it's a girl. She has hair. All right, can you put together the other one too? She collects the garbage while the other garbage man, he drives the truck. Oh, she needs a head first. Where's her head? Here's her head. Put her head on and snap her hair on. Let's look at her. She's really cool. All right, let's make the garbage can. We gotta make the dumpster, Rhett, so they can get to work. So we started out with the gray piece. Now we snapped on the 2 green side pieces. And now we have to do the other side. The cool thing about this dumpster is you can put real wheels on it and it will move like a real dumpster. So first we have to snap on these pieces.
Cat.
One there. That is a carrot. He comes with some really cool trash.
Alright.
Yeah, you can throw it away. All right, let's put the wheels on. Hold on. Then we have to snap his wheels on. There's one set of wheels.
Kind.
There's another set of wheels.
Move.
And let's look at him. He moves like a real garbage can. A real dumpster. All right, do you want to fill him up with his trash? We're all finished. What do you think? Do you like it? Do you like your garbage truck? It's really cool. It's a lot like your street sweeper too.
Good job.
Gotta hook it on. Good job. Dump all that garbage out. She needs to use a broom to sweep all the garbage up. Good job. The lady's gonna come and sweep up all the garbage so you can collect it in the garbage can. All right, I think she collected it all.
Baby, best.
A fish, a nasty fish.
Yeah.
What else do you have?
Nah.
A banana. What else? Another block. Orange juice? You think that was orange juice? And some grapes. Let's look at your tiny street sweeper. This is your driven street sweeper. You have so many sanitation workers today. You have a lot of trash to collect. You better get to work. Somebody made a mess in the road. All right, garbage truck, come by and pick up your trash.
Bye-bye.
See you later, street sweeper. Thanks for your work. Thanks for your help, street sweeper. Mr. Garbage Man, are you in there? He's in there. All right, time to collect it.
Ew.
That is ew. Lots of dirt. Lots of trash you have to collect.
Oh, Daddy.
Strawberries? A little baby trash can? That was a lot of trash to collect off the road. Oh, you have more? Maybe street sweeper should come pick it up. You want to send street sweeper over? You do have 2 brooms. Time to collect your trash. It hooks right there to the back, and you lift it up and dump it out. That is so cool, Rhett. She's scooping up some more trash. She's a hard worker. She's ready to hop back on and ride again. Aren't those Legos so cool? Oh no, she's in the trash can. Uh-oh, that's not good.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. See you later. Both Lego City vehicles come with a driver a trash can. This one came with a banana and another piece of trash. And they each come with their own shovel and broom that you can hook on the back. This garbage truck comes with 2 drivers. That driver. And this one. And it comes with a broom you can hook on the side and a shovel for the other side. They're both really neat. Bye-bye, Legos!
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Thanks for watching RNA Play Squad. Hit subscribe so you don't miss out on more learning and fun.